Welcome to BOLDEC learning. In today's video, we will learn about two functions, trim and proper, and we will use these functions in order to get the right formatting and right cases for the names that I have over here. So first of all, as usual, we will start by learning each function separately and then we will learn how to use them combined. So let's learn first of all about the trim function. The trim function will take out all the unnecessary spaces from a cell and then we'll keep only one space between two words. Okay, so let's try that. So it is equal to trim, press tab. Where is my text? That's my text. Press enter, and as you can see now I have a right spacing for the words in this cell. Similarly, I'll drag it down, and as you can see I have no extra spaces anywhere. I only have one space between the two words. Okay, now let's learn about the proper function. So I will delete these and now I will use the proper function. So it is equal to proper, press tab. Where is my text? That's my text. Press enter, and as you can see I have now the two words that are in proper case. So I have the first letter as uppercase and all the others as lowercase. Similarly, I will drag it down for all the others, and as you can see we have them all in the right cases. Now let's combine proper and trim in order to get the result that we need. So I will delete that and I will start writing. So we will use the proper function after we trim our text, or the other way around. So we will start, it is equal to trim, and what am I going to trim? I'm going to trim the text that has the proper cases, right? So I will use trim, and then inside of trim I will use the proper function. Press enter and there we go. Let's use it the other way around. So it is equal to proper, press tab, I will have trim inside, and this is my text, and close parentheses. And there we go, we have the same results. Both of these functions gave us the same results. I will drag down any one of these two to show you that it will work for all the examples. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and take care.